so we just went to the grocery store a little while ago, and I wanted to... Okay, so we went to the grocery store a little bit ago, and I wanted to share with you guys what we got. Can you turn on that light, Jay? I have street tacos tomorrow and possibly nachos because it's Cinco de Mayo. So I wanted to show you guys what we got and kind of what I'm going to be having for lunch for the next few days. So these are mostly the ingredients for the tacos, which is kind of a lot, but that's fine. So we got chicken for a recipe. I'm gonna use tater tots. We got lime juice. We got sliced jalapeno. We got white corn tortillas and white, and then flour, and then I got some turkey. This is gonna be for my bagels, and if Jason wants them too. And then this is what we're gonna use to soak the meat in. It's just a skillet. Sauce stuff. We needed some butter. Did I say lime juice already?
Yep.
We got some
cheese to go on the street tacos.
Yep. Some just Tostitos scoops. Lettuce and cheese. And then of course you have to get the best Mexican pop ever. How do you say that, Jay?
I don't know, I say Doritos, but that's probably wrong.
Doritos, I think it's Doritos. Some extra virgin olive oil, some chicken stock. These are the bagels I found. Everybody's raving about these. I'm so excited to try them. I'll make a bagel for you guys tomorrow and then show you how they turn out, but it's the everything one. A lot of places don't have the everything bagel. What are you doing, you spaz?
You want street tacos? No, it's just slow cooker.
We got ground cumin, and we already have chili powder, but we don't know if we're gonna use it anymore because we have this sauce here. But yeah, and then we got this fresh salsa. Jason really likes this one, so we went with that. And then some Tropicana, some white rice, cilantro, because obviously you need that. This stuff's really good on chicken or on crackers, this chicken spread. I'll throw up on the screen how many points it is. I don't know, but I know I used to eat this all the time. We found some cream of mushroom soup, only the healthy request. They don't have the fat-free one, but honestly, any cream of mushroom I can find right now I'm happy to have. So I got 2 of those, and then I got 2 cream of chicken. And then we got some minced garlic, which we use all the I use it all the time. So, and then we found some queso blanco. So, and then lastly, last few things, I got some apple cider vinegar, some more butter spray because I was out, and then I got some sweet Hawaiian rolls for another recipe we're gonna have. But I wanted some spinach dip the other day, and Jay actually seen it and pointed it out. So it's so good. Spinach dip and this Hawaiian bread.
And brawny paper towels.
Yeah, oh, and we got paper towels.
Which are really nice.
You like them?
Yeah, you can use one sheet and wipe up a bunch.
Oh, good. Brownie is good, you guys. Or brownie. So yeah, that is all for my little mini grocery haul.
Look how tough this thing is.
Wow.
Come on, Brownie, sponsor us. Look how tough these towels are.
I don't think that they need to. They're probably just fine. But yeah, so that's my little grocery haul. Baby
Jason. Use it as a
Jason.
makeup remover.
Baby Jason went into the grocery store for the first time since Corona. Actually, maybe like the second.
I went in a few weeks ago.
Okay, the second time.
She just doesn't know.
I don't?
No.
Okay, you guys, I will see you tomorrow when I make my bagel thin. And I'll show you how I assemble that. And then I'll also show you how we make our tacos, or I'll show you the finished product. Because it might be Jason who makes them, not Brittney. Alright, you guys, I should have filmed, but Indy and I just ran up to the post office. We had to drop something off for Jay, and then we stopped at Caribou, and I got her a pup cup, and she devoured it. And then I just got caramel high-rise cooler with skim milk and skinny syrup, or like sugar-free syrup. And then I just added some more almond milk because I like my coffee like half creamer and or milk. I'm not a huge like black drinker. Oh, that's better. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys, Jason threw the chicken in the crock pot. So we got this. Here's the macros for it. So there's 6 servings, 70 calories each. It's just like a savory chili blend. And then he just put it in the crock pot for, it's on high for 6 hours. So, and then I'm going to make lunch in a little bit. But I have to get some work done for Scentsy. And I'm gonna drink this coffee and hammer out some stuff. So I will see you guys in a little bit when I have a bagel. All right, you guys, so these bagels are really thin. Obviously they're bagel thins, but I just popped 2 in the toaster. You can kind of tell they're just really thin. Everything bagels. And then once I get the toppings on, I will show you guys. I don't know how much cream cheese I'm gonna use. I'm thinking 2 tablespoons, but we will see. All right, you guys, so 31 grams of this is 3 points. So I'm going to try to put 15 grams each on each side. So I'm going to put 15 grams on each side. How much is this? 31, okay. Okay. All right, so there's that, and let me just put it all over. All right. Now, to be completely honest with you guys, I kind of wish I had cucumber. I just totally forgot to grab it. It'd be super good. And then I'm gonna do 1 ounce of this honey ham I have left. I did buy turkey for it, but I would rather use up my ham. 1 ounce. Which is going to be 2 slices. I don't even need to measure that. So just 2 slices of ham. Like that. And then if you want, you could put lettuce. I mean, you could really honestly put anything. There's that. There's my little sandwich. Now to find something to eat with it. What should I have? Alright, you guys. So I'm not super hungry. So I'm actually just going to have this with a Built Bar. And then here's my little sandwich. I'm really excited about this. So next time I think I need to get cucumber when I'm at the store. And then I'm just going to have a banana nut bread. Built Bar, so good. Tastes just like the banana one, but with nuts in it. So it's super delicious. Yeah, and then I'm actually probably, for dessert, I'm actually probably going to have one of these too. Because why not? So and have these 3. Okay, so this is 7 points. This is 4 points, which I might just eat half. I can't decide yet. And then these are 3. Let me try it for you on camera. So good. This cream cheese